So, it's finally here. Here it is, the Rippa R10-6. In this video we are going to do a tiny test dig, try out the quick tool change, and do quite a lot of raking and a bit of bulldozing. Let's just enjoy the unloading for a bit before we get into it. I think it was about 8 years ago when I used an excavator for the first and last time, and I did that for maybe a few hours, so it took quite a while to get used to the controls again. Here I also feel that it's quite tippy. So before going uphill I feel like putting more weight in front, so I want to extend the boom a bit. Here's a quick looksy-wooksy after parking it for the first time. The dials or indicators are really hard to see while sitting, so they need to be fixed somehow. Okay, so this is a couple of days later and it's time to do the first digging. The fact that there's some hay sticking from the bucket, that's only because I scraped it on the way down. And there we have it, the first scoop. I think I'm on idle on the power, so no problems there. And the thumb works. Get off, you. Get off. There we go. Yeah, so I guess it digs. Okay, let's try to change the tool to the rake or the Freddy Krueger hand, so that we can maybe get off the hay from this part of the lawn. Let's see how it works. nice. So you pull that and then just push down. Here's the Freddy Krueger hand. I guess we should just be able to here. Huh, there we go. That's easy. Yeah, so this is the part that is a bit overgrown, so maybe I can use the rake to get off the top layer and loosen it up and maybe put this stuff into the compost or something.
Can you dig? Can I dig us both down without a frown? All the way down, 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 down without a frown. Without you, scoop it up, get us down without a frown. Without you, can you dig? Can I dig us both down without a frown? All the way down, 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 down without a frown. Without you, can you dig? Can I dig us both down without a frown? All the way down, 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 down without a frown. Without you, scoop it up, get us down without a frown. Without you, can you dig? Can I dig us both down without a frown? All the way down, 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 down without a frown. Without you. We keep digging, digging without frowning, no frown on, and deep, deep down, down we go. We are in it, dirt is finished, down, down digging, digging, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
This was a cool idea, but the setup didn't really work, unfortunately. I need to figure out how to do this better. So maybe in a coming video you'll get some more boom action.
Can you dig? Can I dig us both down without a frown? All the way down, 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 down without a frown. Without, yeah.
So first couple of hours with the Rippa R10. I was just using the rake and the dozer blade to get rid of the top layer, which is completely overgrown. Also found a couple of posts in there which I could grab with the thumb easily. So I think the plan is to create a road along the hedge here. We'll see how it goes. If the onboard shots looked promising, then I might create a mount and try to do some live feeds maybe.
Scoop it up, get us down without a frown. Without We keep digging, digging without frowning, no frowning. Deep, deep down, down we go. We are in it, dirt is finished. Down, down, digging, digging. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Things did go smoothly the first couple of days. I did pop a track off at the end of day 2. I recorded that as well. Yeah, so please let me know if you want to see more of this stuff, then I will keep on creating videos. Thank you for watching.
We keep digging.